Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this super cute half up half down hairstyle with a UPART wig from Niawigs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like hair tutorials. Let's just get right on into the video. I have my UPART wig here from Niawigs that you guys have seen in a previous review. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. I'll have it in the cards. So I'm gonna section out literally just the front, the least amount of hair possible, honestly, and I'm gonna try to make it work like that. So this is all the hair that I'm gonna leave out, and everything else is gonna go back into the bun. And I just do my, this is what it looks like. So let's see. Try to adjust everything. So I'm gonna clip the first pieces right here where the parting I just made is. So I'm basically trying to apply it the same way I would like a half wig. So this is what we're working with so far now that we've clipped everything in. So now we're gonna see how we can cover everything. So all the hair that I took out, just gonna pull it forward. So this is about the size ponytail that I would do. And I'm just gonna go ahead and separate this from the rest of the hair and clip it out the way. So now I have to slick up my edges. As you guys can see, it looks pretty bulky and it's not blending that well as of yet. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna bring you guys in closer to my edges, not too close though, because these edges, child, they need some help. I'm gonna take some jam, and I'm not using this for hold as much as I'm just using it to kind of just moisturize the hair a little bit. Jam is not like a long-term edge control for me. Never has been. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that. So because it is so sticky, as you guys can see, like it's not even melting into the hair, it's sitting on top of the surface, I'm gonna go ahead and wet it a little bit. And this is just gonna help me blend it in, brush it in nice and sleek, as well as soften up my hair a little bit. And I like to do this instead of wetting my hair beforehand, because sometimes I feel like you can apply too much product that way. And I don't want my hair to be soaking wet, you know? So this is what you get. Not so bad. It is a little bit, there is a little bit of a bump right here where the clip is. I don't know if you guys can see, and you kind of can see the edge of the wig right there, and I'm going to show you guys later how I conceal that. I'm going to use a bobby pin, but I think before I go ahead and slick this back all the way, I'm going to adjust this comb further back, just like that. And as you guys can see, now it's laying much flatter. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, so this is what we got right now. And I'm actually gonna secure the hair up just like this. Make sure you have a clean section, because when you tie it up, you don't want it to get tangled. And then I'm just gonna clip the back of the hair out the way. Then you're gonna get a scrunchie. To tie this up, I'm gonna use a pretty thick headband type scrunchie because I want this to hold, because the ponytail is what's gonna keep this wig on your head more so than the clips. So I pull it nice and tight, but not so tight to where it gives you a headache, because I hate that. Just like this. And I love these type of scrunchies because it gives your ponytail some height so that it's not so flat to your head. And you can go ahead and cover it later, but there we go. That looks really good. Okay, so now that you guys see what's going on, you guys see how you can see like the sides of the wig lifting up. I'm going to show you guys how to conceal that. There's more fabric than we need, so it's kind of bunching up right here. So I'm going to flip it down where I need it to stay, and I'm going to go ahead and bobby pin it in place. There. And that conceals it very well. Then you're just going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. As you guys can see, it's that part of the wig cap sticking out. Fold it down where you need it to be, and then bobby pin it going backwards into the hair, and that'll keep the wig down behind your ear. Okay, you guys, let me unclip the back. This is looking pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and do my edges. I'm going to be using the Style Factor Edge Booster Extra Strength Moisture Rich Pomade for thick and coarse hair. I swear by these edge controls. I love them. This one is not as strong as the Edge Booster, but I'm going to use this today because we're not doing anything crazy. Just going to do some quick swoops and try not to disturb the ponytail. Some people do their edges before they slick up their ponytail. I feel like I always have to do it afterwards. I just feel like doing it before, it just never comes out right. And also, I never know exactly how I want my edges to lay until the pony is already slicked back, you know? So, do that. Quick little swoopy swoop like that. I don't go too crazy with my baby hairs because my edges are kind of thin already, so I don't have much to work with. So now that the edges are done, let me just show you guys. This is what it looks like. Looks nice and sleek. Your pony is sitting up nice and high. And then to just kind of do the finishing touch, I'm going to take a small piece from the back of the pony and I'm going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And this is just going to give it that really nice polished look. So once your hair is slicked back and everything looks pretty good, you can leave it just like this, but of course I'm gonna go ahead and be extra and throw some wand curls in it. So first thing I'm gonna do is tie down my edges, because while I'm curling my hair, I do not want my edges to get messed up, and I just want it to set in the gel and look really, really nice. So I'm just gonna tie my edges down. So first, let's start with the back of the hair. This is going to be really easy. I have a bunch of different videos on my channel where I show how I wand curl my hair. So this should be simple, but if you're new, you just wrap the hair around, hold it for a little bit and let it go. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part and I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, so I'm about halfway through. Not about, I am halfway through. I did the whole bottom of the hair. Looks really, really good. I just sprayed it with some hairspray and I took the scarf off because I was sick of looking at myself with that scarf on. And I feel like it just wasn't visually pleasing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl the ponytail and we're gonna wrap this video up, okay? So the curls are done. I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff them out. This is the final look, you guys. Like, come on, it literally looks like it's my hair. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. This is how it turned out. Check out Niawigs down below if you guys want to pick up this unit. I have a coupon code as well. I'll have all that information in the description box below. Let me know how you guys like this hairstyle. Did you like it better straight, or did you like it better after I curled it? I'm always feeling the curls. I feel like curls just really frame your face and they look really girly and cute. So yeah, if you guys want to see more hair videos, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what videos you want to see from me next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss my next upload. I will see all of you beautiful people next week. Bye!